Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. In this video, you will learn how to add rating functionality in websites' contact forms. So let's get started with this video. Before getting started, ensure that you successfully install and activate the Formidable Forms plugin. Now, to configure this plugin, all you need to do is click on Formidable here in the sidebar. You can see here this is the Formidable Forms window. You can edit an existing form or create a new one. For this video, I will create a new form. So to do that, let's click on Add New. Here, you can select the template as per your requirements. Here in the pop-up, you need to give your form a title as per your requirement and then click on Create. As you can see, this is the builder area and here you simply need to drag and drop the star rating field. Now here in the field settings, you can edit the field label and set maximum rating here like this. Now click on Advanced and you can also add field description, field key, field type, and can also adjust visibility and can change label position to default etc. according to your requirement. Once done, simply click on Update and your form will be updated successfully. You can also now preview the form on a blank page to check the functionality. You can make a test entry and see how this star rating field works. Once done, click on Submit. So this is how you can add star rating functionality in WordPress contact forms. I hope you liked this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer, and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer, and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now, to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.